What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, the Bitcoin price is getting ready for a major move. Yes, today when US markets open, there could be something major happening, not only for traditional markets, but for crypto as well. Over the last few days, over the weekend, it's been going crazy. So many different things have been happening. I've also been trading as well. I'm currently in around $5,500 profit over on Ubit. I'm trading this news. I'm putting my money where my mouth is and showing you the exact trades which I'm doing, because right now, President Trump has in fact attacked and seized an Iranian vessel right here. Of course, there is massive selling going on in the market right now, which we're going to talk about. We've got a CME gap and we've got massive liquidations on the heat map. In today's video, guys, it's going to be a good one. You need to prepare yourself for today because it's going to be a major day in the markets. Sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for joining me once again. It truly does mean the absolute world to me. If you do enjoy my content, drop a like down below. That would be much appreciated. And of course, drop a comment down below to enter every single Monday to win $100. At the end of today's video, it is Monday, so we'll be giving away to one lucky person. So don't forget, guys, I'm not a financial advisor as well. I'm just a guy called Jack in his room making videos about crypto. And if you're from the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. Let's get into the market and see exactly what is happening, because just like in my previous two videos, guys, I was telling you, be careful. We could be seeing a little bit of a local top right here. And look what happened. Well, we saw a little bit of a rejection. And my area, which I thought it was going to reject into, was between here, around 71 to around 74K. And we are slowly making our way down. However, there is a massive thing that I need to tell you about that could invalidate every single thing which I'm saying right now in this video. And it's if there is some kind of peace deal, some kind of treaty, or whatever may happen with US and Iran. If we do see that happening, guys, of course, it will immediately switch to bullish, I guess, for the temporary short term. Oil will go down, of course, and many different assets like Bitcoin will push to the upside. Now, where am I expecting it to push to? Well, that's when we need to take a look at the liquidation heat map. And we can see right here, most likely target would be probably maximum coming up to about $79,000. So that would be around about here, this exact level right here, the previous local top right there. And again, it would create a higher high, I guess you could say. However, I still wouldn't be bullish because I do think there could be one more final push up to that 80K range before we do see anything further happening. And you guys know, if you're watching my content, I have a bear market price target of around $46,000 to $52,000 for Bitcoin this bear market. If you did want to go ahead and copy my bots, guys, and earn while you sleep, of course, you can copy my exact futures grid bots right here. Go to copymybots.io. There is a link down below. Everything is explained in simple terms. You sign up to Pionex using the link right here. You claim your deposit bonus. You activate your bots right there. And then you sit back and relax and get ready, hopefully, for the profits. It explains exactly what grid bots do. They buy low and try to sell high exactly for you without you doing anything. And you can see some of the results we have had over here. So all you do is copy the bot. Once you've made yourself an account on Pionex, this website is just a front. You don't deposit any money to this website. It's just simply to keep it organized rather than an Excel sheet. And you can see here, I've also got oil, gold, silver, many different things which are all in range. And I'm making the most of it this market using bots. Of course, I'm in my trade as well. We can talk about that. I did enter the trade exactly here. We can see pretty much exactly when we peaked back up to this level. And honestly, it seems like a reasonably good entry. I probably will be setting some stop losses potentially at around 81K in my opinion, and also some potential limit orders a little bit higher for some short positions. But again, around nearly 6K profit in just the space of a day. It's absolutely amazing. I will potentially take some profits on this. However, I'm leaving it open right now because who knows what's going to happen with the markets. If the US and Iran stuff does escalate even further, this is going to push the price even further down and I'm going to make even more money. So if you want to go ahead and trade over on Ubit, there is a link down below. I've been recently trading on it and it seems like a pretty cool exchange. They actually have a special bonus as well. If you deposit $100, you leave it for one day, you're going to get $100 to trade with. So why not do that? It doesn't cost you anything. You can get a free trade during this volatile times. It's best not to be using your money. So what is actually happening right here? So This tweet I literally just posted out a few minutes ago, sell before market open. And I mean it, market open probably around 6 hours or so from now. And President Trump announces that a US Navy attacked and seized an Iranian cargo ship today. And the ship was called Tusaka. Or Tuska, I guess you can say. My Iranian is not the best. And we can see right here his tweet here on True Socials right there. We can see exactly what happened. And this is exactly the ship right there that they seized. And again, this is very, very bearish for the markets. Bullish for oil, I guess you could say, but bearish for the markets because there was some kind of a peace deal. I know when the peace deal happened, it didn't really last long. Iran was sending many rockets, but I'm here in beautiful Dubai, not so far away from Iran. So I'm definitely hoping for some kind of a peace in the markets and, of course, in the world. Nobody likes conflict. Of course, I made this tweet as well, and I want to talk about it because insiders are, in fact, offloading massive risk positions into the US market ahead of tomorrow. This is all a database of different insiders with what positions they have and what they have, in fact, been selling. This shows that many people potentially do have insider knowledge. You know exactly what's happening. I mean, if we go to my profile right here, we scroll down, just literally, I tweeted this a few hours ago also. Trump Insider is shorting at 53 million in Bitcoin at 30x leverage. We can see right here, the Trump Insider placed a massive 53 million Bitcoin short at 30x leverage. He has a perfect track record, 10 trades, 10 wins, but one 7% pump could completely wipe that 53 million out. Without a shadow of a doubt, there is massive insider trading between what's happening here. We all know it. It's just a thing, and we can't do anything about it. However, it's very, very interesting to go ahead and track this stuff for sure. We do have a CME gap at $77,140. Again, it would push up to around about here. Again, I wouldn't be too worried if we were to see a push up to this level, to be honest. And again, if we do want to go ahead and see these different levels for this bear market, I am going to show you once again, because I show you every freaking video, and I'm going to keep showing you because I really want you to understand what could happen. If we take a look at this chart right here, we can see each time we did in fact see a push towards the outside of this channel, exactly like here. Not every time, but most times recently, it did in fact follow with a dump towards the downside, a dump towards the downside. And again, the same thing could be happening again. Even this red candle is forming. And again, my target for the bull market is somewhere in this range right here. Many of you in the comments yesterday were saying, oh, maybe it's not true. I would love to know. Drop your comments down below. It enters you to the giveaway. I would love to know your opinion, and it's a win-win for everybody. We can have a discussion because we can see right here, 200, 250, 300, 350, simple moving average. And we can see right here, the highest is around 60K. Then down here at the 250, it's 57. Then down here, it's 52. And then down here, it's about 46K. So in my humble opinion, I've been in the market now for 3 cycles now. Of course, I don't know everything. Some of you guys in the comments may even know much more than me. You may have some insider information. You may shake your black ball and it says Bitcoin bottom 53K. Amazing. Drop it in the comments. Let me know that. I would love to know, because I am going to be definitely accumulating as much Bitcoin as I can in this range right here, because I think it's going to be as close to the bottom as possible. Of course, we cannot get the exact bottom. Nobody knows that. All we can do is look at past history. What happened back here at 3K? What happened back here at 15K? Yes, we came down to the 350. And here, I believe we only came down to the 250. So we can take an average of that and say, okay, maybe we'll come down to the 300, or worst case, it will be 350 or a little bit below. I think we're going to be potentially at about 50K, somewhere in that range, 48K maybe. If we take a look at this chart as well, I showed you in yesterday's video, it's very, very interesting. We can remove the moving averages because it's logarithmic now. We can see exactly right here. I am worried if we do break 60K, because this chart right here is showing us that a break of 60K would in fact be very, very dangerous for Bitcoin. And again, we see this rising level of support right here, all the way from back here in November 2018, an 8-year level of support. Of course, nobody wants to break an 8-year level of support. But if that does happen, if we do break much below 60K, it's going to most likely invalidate this complete pattern, this 8-year pattern. And we are going to see a push down to the previous levels, which I was talking about on the other chart, at about $46,000 to $52,000. So Bitcoin price right now, of course, it's very, very volatile. A lot of stuff's happening in the market right now. And we can in fact see that we do need to break this level here at 78K. In my opinion, I'm still keeping my short open. Again, since I recorded this video, it's up around another $200-300, which is beautiful. I'm going to keep this open, hopefully get it to 10-20K in the next few days. I mean, I opened this trade with around $11,700 of margin. It is around a $235,000 trade, but I only opened it with $11,700 because I'm using 20X. Again, I personally wouldn't use 20X if I was you watching at home. However, I've been trading for many years and I understand risking my capital, and I'm okay with that completely. So I will keep you updated about this trade. Stay cautious, stay vigilant, because the market's opening soon. It's going to be very, very volatile for crypto today. And if you're in Europe or the Middle East or Asia, probably tomorrow morning, you're going to see the full effects of what's happening. But again, if you did want to go ahead and trade on Ubit, all the links are down below. Deposit 100, wait a day, get 100. Amazing offer right now. And of course, if you did want to earn while you sleep, you can go ahead and copy my Pionex Futures grid bots down below. Copymybots.io. It couldn't be more simple. All the information is on here, and they do have a bonus of $1,000 for a limited time only. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember that I am not a financial advisor. And of course, I'm just a dude called Jack in his room making videos about his journey in crypto. Also, if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. Thanks for watching, guys. Before I go, I will do the giveaway. All right, guys, so now I've loaded the video. How it works, I pick a random video from the last week, and then I go ahead and copy that link into the random comment picker, and then it generates a winner. So it could be any video, so make sure you're commenting on all the videos throughout the week. Let's go ahead and pick the winner, and congratulations, Sherlock Holmes 1121. Congratulations, man. You won $100. Send an email over to info@cryptojack.com. Reach out to me on Twitter or Instagram or something like that, and we do need to verify you are the original winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.